Hi guys, good morning. So here we are again in Villaroma, Lias Marala, Bulacan. We're going to clean this split type higher brand. So here again is my co-partner in business, and we're gonna clean this AC unit right now. This one, I hope you see it.
Okay.
So the cleaning will start now. We're just gonna do some documentation, and the setting is 24 degrees. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So my partner's gonna start to
Salamin ko boy, kalimutan ko.
that's the problem with the low vision people, you know. You have to carry all the way always your sunglass. So he's already removed the filter. Now it's gonna unscrew the holding screws over there, and his screws is also falling apart because this guy is a seaman. And it's a no-no with the seaman if you fall your screwdriver.
Nirimiss.
That is a very no-no to a seaman. But
Yeah.
this guy, he does it oppositely. He always throws the screwdrivers to the sea.
Even tester.
Yeah, even tester. He throws it to the sea so that his company could buy a new one. So now, he's trying to remove it. The main casing. He's already removed the 3 screws. One last screw.
Two.
2 remaining. Okay, 2 remaining. So guys, we have to pause for a while so that we could accumulate all the videos, and because this cell phone is not enough memory, so we're just gonna end up right here. We're gonna pause. So let's pause. Okay, let's continue. He's gonna remove now the what you call that? I don't know the name of that device.
Digital remote connected to the remote control.
Okay. That's the digital display. Yes. It's the digital display. You have to separate it to the casing. Okay, he's already separated it. Now he's moving forward with the process. We're gonna pause again. Okay, we have to remove this one also, these 3 screws, so that there's no hindrance anymore. 1, another 2, and the last one. Okay, he will remove it now. Okay, so, sorry.
Nakakamadali.
Okay, let's pause for a while, and then let's return to the process where he is near finishing the process, so that we could
Plat niya pre?
accumulate all the memory of this cell phone. Okay, so let's
Ito hindi ko matagal.
pause for a while again.
They failed and he cannot find it and keep it
Yes.
secret to the client.
So this is my partner. His name is
Amos.
Amos.
Because, the Koreans pronounce Amos.
Oh, Amos.
Amos.
What a nice name, Amos. Amos the sniffer. You're Amos the sniffer?
Bebe, kung nga ganito. Ito medyo complicated.
Oh my goodness, Amos, what are you doing now?
Complicated.
Oh, it's very complicating and complicated.
Dito na cover sasabit. Yung wings niya sasabit po eh.
Wings, where's
Yung flaps niya, flaps ba?
Wolves. Speak English, man. I
Ayun.
don't understand Tagalog, you know. Ano yung half breed, half alien, half Filipino.
Ayun naman pala.
So, can't understand what you're saying, man. You have to speak English.
Nako.
Next up,
Ito.
you focus in on the
Okay.
most handsome guy on the planet, okay? I have to remove this lover, okay? So that there's no more hindrance, you know, so much hindrance is irritating. Now we're gonna remove this one, we're gonna flip this for a portion so that we could take it out, okay? Okay? That's the cat, okay? I think I broke it.
Ako nagagawa sa akin, pre. Bebe, sa ilalim, pre.
There's something still protruding, you know? There's something.
Oh, be careful, be careful.
Be careful.
Be
We're
careful.
not doing this hastily, you know? So, we're done with the removal of the casing. Now we're gonna put the AC cover.
Okay.
So now we have already put the AC cover. Well, next step is we're gonna apply the pressure wash. As you can see, the blower is a little bit dirty. Oh my goodness! Wow, so much dirty. So much dirty. See? Okay. Stand by. Okay. Let's secure the plug.
Ito, plastic. Oh. Oh, plastic po. Uy, tak.
Ay!
Ito.
So now that we are done applying the soap, we're gonna rinse it now. I'm just waiting for my buddy to fill up this bucket. I'm gonna apply the rinse so that we remove the soap. Okay, stand by. So now we have removed the front cover. We're gonna cover this with plastic, and then we're gonna apply a pressure wash so that we could clean this condenser side. Okay. Cover this plastic always. Cover this part, the fan motor always. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to apply the pressure washer. See the dirt? So much dirt, right? See that? So much dirt. So I have to pause for a while so that I could perform this task properly. I have to pause for a while and let go of my cell phone, my camera, okay? Hope you understand, okay?
So, mga paps, i-assemble na namin. And like you can see, tapos na ang cleaning.
Okay.
Okay. Ito, kinakabit na po namin yung sa remote kung saan okay, standby. Even yung gawa mo para ano,
Even now, there's no one left to blame, and you are left concerned.
para may kulang doon. Dito, para may kulang. Something siya dito. Ito. Eh, yung ano, yung sensor na puti.
Okay. Wajah.
Basta tayo.
Even now,
Kunin mo na yan. Kunin nyo.
there's no one left wrong. What?
Kulang isa yan ha. Kulang isa.
Why? Why kulang isa?
Hindi ko alam.
Must not be sure, man. You must be sure. No good, not sure. Hungry, I'm hungry namin.
Makakain tayo.
You're getting this? You're getting this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Duh.
Duh. So this one, where? Over here.
Oh, dalawa dyan kasi dalawa yung nakatiri.
Are you sure?
Kulang. Si Bong Baroga.
Are you sure, not sure?
Kasagutan kami.
Why?
Kahapon eh. Sinabi ako tayo, sige. Huwag mo ko sutahin. Hindi naman...
Ngayon wala narinig yun.
O, di ba?
Oh, okay. Going back to our topic. So guys, we have already finished cleaning this AC unit. Then we are only finalizing observation na. Then we have set up 16 degrees Celsius on the display. And we have to measure the temperature using this thermal gun. And this one. So let's measure na. Ayun, sometimes 18, 19. Okay, 14 sa gitna, minsan 14. So, hindi stable. Pero mag-accumulate pa yan kasi as per Ma'am Nikki, 24 hours nga kasing ginagamit ito. 24/7 pa. So, kawawa naman si AC. Alang rest. Ayun, 16. This part, pumapalo ng 14. So, good indication na yan. Ito na lang sa gitna. Medyo behind pa siya. 17. Pero, as the days goes by, as the hours goes by, ma-accumulate niya naman yung cooling. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you again on my next video. Thanks. God bless and bye-bye. Sorry. Shoutout nga pala kay Ma'am Nikki Castro for allowing us to clean her AC unit. Ma'am Nikki, thank you so much for the opportunity. Thanks again. God bless and bye-bye.